Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at how to model a kettlebell in Blender. Alright, so you can see that we are going to use this reference image to model the kettlebell, and this is the result. So we will look at how to extrude the handle and how to flatten the surface in the front and at the bottom, and we are going to use a sphere to get started. Alright, so what I'll do is open a new file. Okay, delete this. We have to add an image reference first. So find a kettlebell image online and save it as a JPEG file, and then the image comes into Blender. So hit the N key on the keyboard, or you can simply click on this button here and then make these 0. Okay, so you got that. Then we will rotate it 90 degrees in this direction, so it's 90. We will move it back so that the sphere is created in the center. Now we don't want this to get selected by mistake when we are working on the kettlebell. So you come here, alright, and then you turn this option on, and this is the empty. You can hide, unhide it, and then you can freeze, unfreeze it. So now it's frozen. Alright, so we got that part. Then we'll go to add mesh, UV sphere, and then if you go here into viewport display under this tab, object tab, you can say wireframe. Alright, so there are way too many polygons right now, so we need to reduce that. So we can say 6 here. Every time we do that, the wireframe disappears for some reason. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this have to be reduced to, if I make it 6, this becomes too big. So we want a flat surface here. We don't want a line like this here, but we want a smaller one. So let us increase it. 7 is asymmetric, 8 is symmetric, but you get this line. 9 becomes again asymmetric, and 10 becomes symmetric, and you get this nice polygon. So 10 works well there, and this handle, this polygon will be used for extruding the handle out. So this looks good. Okay, so now we can turn the wireframe on. You can hit the N key to hide that. Alright, now we can go to front viewport, and then we can turn the wireframe mode on. You can scale this object. Okay, then you can go to modeling, again view, viewpoint, front, wireframe on. We'll select half of this and delete it. Delete vertices, hit the delete key on the keyboard. So now we'll use this polygon to extrude the handle. Alright, so first thing we need is a sharp edge here. So we will use inset face. Inset face, I don't know why it doesn't give the thickness, so I'll use a thickness here. So that would be the thickness of the handle. Alright, so once you insert this, then you can extrude it out, and this is the extrude. Okay, then the second extrude. We can go to the front view again, viewpoint, front, and we can use these options here. So you can rotate it, move it, and try to get onto this line. Do the same thing with these. Go to vertex, these vertices. Alright, then polygon, this one, view, viewpoint, front, extrude, move it, rotate it, extrude, again move it, rotate it, extrude, rotate it, move it, and extrude one more time. Okay, so you can see that it's narrow here and thick here. So we'll go to view, viewpoint, left, go to vertex, and then we'll select and get to select this, shift select these, view, viewpoint left, shift select these and these. Okay, so these are all the inside ones. We can scale them out so they have even thickness. Okay, so that part is done. We can select this vertex and move it down, select this vertex, view, viewpoint, front, move it and make it flat. Okay, so this circle is going to be here. So we have these polygons, these two polygons. First, what I'll do is select this, view, viewpoint, right, we'll make it straight. Okay, so it becomes straight here. Then we'll select these two polygons, this one, shift this one, and then we will see, I don't know why it doesn't. Alright, so we will move it up like this. This polygon, we will delete it. Faces, this face, we will delete it. Faces. We are deleting these faces because we are going to mirror. We're going to mirror this geometry. So we are modeling half of this. Okay. So vertex will be this as a circle. Okay. Draw it around like this. Okay, view, viewpoint, left. So everything has to be in a straight line. So you got this part which is flat. Okay. Now this polygon has to be deleted because that's the mirror area. So this is hollow, so this has to be hollow also. And then when you mirror it, view, viewpoint, front, all these vertices have to be in one line. Okay. Hopefully they are in one line. Alright, so then we will select this object, go to modify panel and add a mirror modifier. Okay, so we mirrored it, and now this gap, view, viewpoint, front, wireframe, modeling, view, viewpoint, front. Alright, so these vertices will move and they have to merge. So I'll say merge limit, we have to increase the merge limit. Okay, so now they've merged. Select these. So we need to fix those lines. So they merge at one point. And then we will try to add the layout mode, add subdivision. Turn this option on. Increase the subdivision and object shade smooth. Okay, so we got our geometry. Now we need a sharpness area here and then sharpness at the bottom. So at the bottom, let's select this. Go to modeling, and then in the modify panel, turn this on, this button. You will not see the overlying geometry, but you will work directly on these. So I'll go to this, and then we'll insert it. Okay, and then once you insert it, let us turn our options off. Okay, so we'll move that inset in a little bit, and then there's this polygon. Shift this polygon, that needs to be deleted, and then this edge, shift this edge, moves out. Okay, same thing happens here. This polygon, shift this polygon, we'll insert it a little bit, then this polygon, shift this polygon, will be deleted, delete faces, go to edge, select this, shift select this, and move it out along that line. Okay, so we'll turn our mesh smooth and the others. So we got a sharp edge here, we got a nice sharp edge here. This is not round, so we'll work on that. Select this, shift select this, shift select this, and make it round. Okay, that's about it. If you want a sharper line there, then select this and scale it. You can see that when you scale, you have to make sure that it doesn't go through. Move it out. Okay. And then you can select these two. They look to be. Make sure nothing else is selected. Okay, that's important. And then you move it in. And you can turn off the wireframe to see the finished model. Okay. Oh, we don't want this. Why did that happen? When did that go inside? View, viewpoint, front. You can select these polygons and move it out. Okay, when you move them out, they become smooth. That looks better. Okay. Then we get a nice clean geometry, and then we can texture map it and create the 1 kg in the next class. Okay, thank you.